Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide and remove purchase apps on iPhone. So basically all you have to do is to open your iPhone and then go to your settings, and basically you will see here a section or feature that is purchase. So you can see this purchase right here. Tap this one. Here you will see all of the applications that you have purchased. And in order for you to hide it, all you have to do is to long press that application and then swipe to the right, for example this one right here, and then tap hide. So you can scroll down here and do this to your application. So basically, that's how you hide or remove this application in your iPhone. To unhide it, then what you're going to do is you have to open again your iPhone, and then you have to look to your settings. And then this time under purchase, you should see hidden purchase. Okay, so if your iPhone has that feature, all you have to do is to tap that one, and then you have to look for that application that you want to unhide. Select that and you will see an unhide button, and all you have to do is to tap that one, and that's it. This is what it looks like. Just stop hidden purchases. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and see you in our next video tutorials.